welcome.
Thank you.
Very nice. Nice flowers.
Wow.
Nice wine. Well, it is all complimentary.
Thank you. Even with
want
the
the
flowers.
refill? Yes. And
Lovely.
then if you want-
Hello everyone, this is Anita C. Guess where we are? Actually, we have flown from Dubai to Cape Town, so we're in South Africa. And we're now at this hotel, the Table Bay Hotel at the V&A waterfront. Actually, it's the second time we stay here. We stayed here before COVID, and this time we are coming back and stay at this hotel. And we're staying at a suite this time. I just booked a junior suite, but I think they upgrade me and welcome me back as a repeat guest. So very excited about that because the room is very nice, the view is very nice, and the amenities, the welcome things that they show it to us is amazing. So I'm going to give you a quick room tour. So this is the bathroom with the bathtub, the single sink, and then this is the amenity. And of course, they have the rain shower. And I'll show you the amenities again. The shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. Okay, so you know, some of you may not like the decor because it's not the very modern one, but it's very well maintained. I actually like it. I do not mind it. And this is the living room area. Okay. And this is the Nespresso coffee machine, the kettle, the capsules, and then this is the mini bar, in which the mini bar is all inclusive, so it's included. Okay, and then this is a wardrobe with the iron board. Again, the silver, you know, over here may look a little bit old school, but it's very comfortable. So on this side is a lot of gift. They give us the molten brown. Oh, nice. The aroma gift. And then I haven't opened this yet. I'll open it later to show it to you. Okay, and this is the television, and you can see this is exactly how this hotel looks. You know, I really like it. It's amazing, and it's easy walk out to the waterfront, and then on the first floor is connected to the shopping center. It's really great location. So moving right along, there is a welcome letter as well as a lot of inclusions. I think, you know, South African wine is really good. You know, they give me here a bottle of wine, the red wine, and then a bottle of champagne or sparkling wine to check it out. Okay, and then oops, this is the flower. Okay, just Oh, felt for some reason because I moved it earlier on by mistake. It doesn't stand as well, so it actually felt. So I will fill in some water later on. But they even give me fresh flowers upon check-in, and the flip plate and other bottle of red wine, and then the welcome champagne or sparkling wine upon arrival. And let's take a look at this. This is the amazing view of this suite. This is the Table Mountain. This is the view. This is the signature Cape Town Table Mountain. And then also facing the waterfront as well. So you can see very close to everything. You know, we can walk over to the center, and then the shopping mall is all connected. Wow. So we're on the 8th floor, which is the highest floor. So that gives us the best view, because anything lower may be blocked from some buildings. But here we see everything. Okay, so continuing on, I have to add some water back to my flowers. It's the bedroom. Okay, so this is a good, I would say, queen to king size bed. Actually, it's king size bed. And other television here. And then a work desk here. Okay, and I think, yep, the luggage rack, the bathrobe, slippers, safe deposit box, everything is here. Over here is not much of a view, but you can see, I have to focus a little bit better, yep. Okay, that's the ocean at the back. And then of course here, the bedroom, if I open the curtain up, is the Table Mountain view again. So this is the view, you know, that I wake up to. Isn't it amazing? And last time when we stayed, the reason why we come back is because even during breakfast, they serve oyster and sparkling wine. So anyway, we'll show you more. We were here for 2 nights before we head to another destination that we'll share with you as well. So follow me and I will show you my entire experience. Yes, please. Hello everyone, so that is our hotel, the Table Bay Hotel. So on the first floor you can go to the shopping mall, and then taking entrance number 4 you walk out to this main area that there are like key for a lot of restaurants. And now we'll be crossing the bridge and going to the clock tower and going to the museum.